We sat down with Dr. P.K. Sen, professor of engineering at the Colorado School of Mines, to discuss his project called Understanding Net Metering, Distributed Generation, and the Energy Policy Act of 2005 and its impact on the electrical contracting industry. So tell me, what percentage of total energy is used in the form of electricity?
About 33 to 40%, more than a third, and about 40% of the total energy use is in the form of electricity. The growth rate of electricity market is about 2% and maybe a little more than 2% in terms of energy use and in terms of installed capacity of power plants and energy sources.
And how is this project going to affect the electrical industry?
It's going to make a big impact in the electrical industry because the growth rate is there. The question is, how do you manage that growth rate in terms of generations? Can you use coal or a nuclear? That's choices people are talking. The new mandate, essentially by the government and by the legislators, by the people, about 15 to 20% of the total energy, electricity, should be produced by renewable sources. So that's a huge number. Right now, we are really producing only about maybe 3 or 4%, 2 to 4%, give and take. But that number, 15%, is a big number.
What do you see as the biggest challenges of this project?
The biggest challenge is really try to educate people the trend and the future. The future particularly is not as much today. 50 years down the road, it will be very different. So that's trying to educate people, prepare people, understand the need of the industry, how you change it, how do you train, how do you retain the knowledge. It's a whole bunch of issues that we really actually have to address at the same time.